First tropical storm, Lucas. And first time out lasting. Let's go.
Come on, little man. Come hang with Mama.
Ha! He's mesmerized. Whoa. Whoa. Did you go kiteboard, Lucas? Yes? No. No. Yes? No, you did not go kiteboarding. Do you want to go kiteboarding? No! Your first tropical storm!
I knew it was you. I said that to James. I know. Who's throwing the 7? Is it James? It's hilarious. James. You're so silly. You're so silly.
Time that one well because storms are coming in, rain's coming, so the rest of the day will be a wash. So that is a tropical storm for you. Lucas, your first experience? You like it? Yeah? Yeah. Lousing Park for about an hour, and now the rain's come for the rest of the day.